So today early morning, the Directorate of Food and Drugs Administration at 4 o'clock under the leadership of Shri Rajiv Korde carried out inspection of the materials that are coming through the interstate buses. So as you are aware, last week we were carrying the same checks in Mapsa and now we have started in the other areas in Margaon. So what we found today is chapatis which are coming from the other states, and there are a lot of discrepancies in this. Mainly the label declarations are an issue. There are some claims that have been made which are misleading the public, like they are claiming of them having low cholesterol without any scientific data. So it is misleading the public. Also, we have verified that the license numbers that are mentioned on these units are already the licenses are expired of these units. So this is one more discrepancy. Similarly, we have got again some paneer, same thing that we had seen in Mapsa. Now the companies have started putting labels after our checks. However, still there are a few discrepancies in terms of multiple license numbers are being mentioned. So we are trying to get that corrected. Nevertheless, since we have got this stock today, chapatis were 27,000 and paneer around some 25,000, we have detained this and we will again take action and we will inform the companies and make sure that they take corrective steps. One more non-compliance is that in the rainy season we have also observed that since it is coming through interstate buses, they have just thrown this stock on the roadside, so which should not be the case. So we are also going to take this issue up. While they are transporting, they have to follow the stipulated storage conditions.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.